The Omicron variant causing a big spike in cases. Hospitals throughout the state are struggling to keep up with staffing demands. A Nevada Hospital Association report explains staffing levels are at a critical stage. Joe Moeller spoke to some hospital staff about what is actually going on. He's live outside Sunrise Hospital with more. Joe.
Christian, we have seen the long lines of cars with people trying to get tested for COVID-19. Meantime, hospitals like Sunrise here are dealing with the spike in patients. A new report shows just how impacted hospitals are.
It's spreading like wildfire.
Mountain View Hospital nurse Nicole Taylor says times are getting tough.
Nurses are calling out sick at an astronomical rate. That leaves the nurses who aren't sick to essentially pick up the slack.
An update from the Nevada Hospital Association this week shows staffing remains at crisis levels at hospitals throughout the valley. A representative from Mountain View, Sunrise, and Southern Hills hospitals tells me they have all seen an increase of 105% over the last 2 weeks in COVID-19 patients.
Nurses and healthcare workers are feeling exhausted.
I also spoke to Stephen Murta, the chief medical officer from Sunrise Hospital and Medical Center.
We too are feeling the same staffing challenges.
He says they are making staffing adjustments to make sure they can take care of patients.
They are utilizing the nurse and then bringing on a CNA, which is a certified nursing assistant, or a patient care technician, and have them work in teams so that that one nurse can manage more.
Murta and many others say people are showing up to hospitals looking for COVID-19 tests, and that is putting a strain on operations.
ER is here for you in an acute care emergency, but if you have minor illnesses or you're looking for a testing site, please go to the Southern Nevada Health District.
National Nurses United plans to hold a demonstration shedding the light on the staffing problems nationwide. Here locally, they plan to hold a demonstration tomorrow at 8 a.m. outside of Mountain View Hospital. Reporting live, Joe Moeller, live, local now.
Joe, thank you for that. Well, in regards to tomorrow's demonstration, a representative from Mountain View tells us no one cares more for our colleagues than they do. They say it is disappointing that the labor union leadership doesn't recognize the valuable contributions of all colleagues who are working to help patients.